Hello folks, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about pipes. Pipes are a very powerful mechanism to link one command to another in Linux. Uh, Recently, a few days ago, I faced an issue where I wanted to search for the status of a command where was in the middle of a pipeline. Let's say I have one command, then a pipe, then a second command, then another pipe, and a third command. And I wanted to check the status for the second command. So there is a very simple way in Linux to get this status called pipe status. This is an environmental variable which we can echo and print the result and act from it. We can evaluate that result from with an if, or we can do anything with that result. Let's see with an example. Let's have a hello world here, which is a simple echo. I'm going to pass it with a pipe. So the result from the echo is automatically sent out to the next command without going to the standard output. So I'm replace going to replace the H for an uppercase H, and finally another pipe with a word count so I can count the lines. Okay. Here we have three commands, echo, set, and wc, and each command can give any can give a different result. Let's see an example of it. So I'm going to execute. It says one because it just find one line, but what really care us about in at this moment is the pipeline status. So I'm going to do this, which is pipe status. This is an array, so it will start at 0. Here, pipe status position 1, and finally pipe status. Okay, brackets, and the position number 2. This moment all are 0 because every command has completed successfully and passed its result to the next command to be evaluated or act from it. But what happens if I can make this set fail? Obviously, set with double D doesn't exist, so it will fail. I'm going to execute. Okay, it says set is not recognized, which is fine, set with double D. But I'm going to execute this echo, printing the three statuses as well from the pipeline array. As you can see, now the output is different. 0 for the echo, for this echo, and 0 for the wc command because it is correct. But we have a 127 result or status from the failed command. As you may know, every or any value above 0 in Linux means that that command has failed. So this is a failure here. This is the way to evaluate or to get the result from a sequence of pipes. This is very helpful when we have a special command in the middle or at the beginning which doesn't fail the entire process, so you can evaluate and fail it by yourself with an exit or with another sequence in the flow. So this is a programmer's choice. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel to get more videos, and also please suggest new topics. Thanks.